Hey guys, how's it going? How to check sleep on iPhone without Apple Watch. So, first of all, you need to open the Health app, right? And basically, the Health app on your iPhone, tap on the Browse tab at the bottom right, okay? And then select Sleep from the list. And then scroll down to view your sleep data, including your sleep schedule, sleep analysis, and time slept. If you have enabled sleep mode and set a sleep schedule, the data will appear here. If not, you may need to manually log your sleep in the app. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.